naka-full siya. So, let's go have adapt me server. And link in my bio, guys. And every month, so, gagawa ako ng Roblox group. I don't think so. Kung may Roblox ako, kung sa fourth quarter ko ng school, kung meron ako, wala akong 980. So, pwede ako makakuha ng Roblox kahit ilang gusto ko. Basta, wag lang 20,000, 1 million, guys. So, yan. Inano ko na lang